What the heck is going on with this brew?
Okay, couple things. We started this mead, it is a mead, a week ago. 1 week ago today. And after 4 days, it looked like this. And it really wasn't doing anything. Like it had bubbled once or twice, but it really wasn't doing much. Here we are after 1 week, and it's just bubbling that much. Now, if I look, I can see air bubble. You know what? Let me show you instead of tell you. Now, looking at the side, I can obviously see air bubbles coming up. That's a sure sign of fermentation happening. Something else really interesting is this. Can you hold on to that for me? I like to do a little bit of swirling to degas. And when I did it the first time, it almost erupted out of the fermenter. Look at this. You'll see more foam come up than usual. That isn't even that hard of a swirl to have that much foam come out. So I don't really know what the deal is. We did not take any pH readings or anything on this. This is essentially a traditional mead. It's just, honey, water, yeast, and ferment. Oh, that's it. So it just seemed strange to me. But I want to point something out. We get asked all the time. People say, oh, well, my brew didn't start up for 3 hours or 6 hours or a day or 2 days. It's been 2 days and it's not going. What should I do? Well, the first thing you do not ever want to do is dump it out. Okay, we've actually had people that said it didn't start in a day, so they dumped it out and started again. No, please don't dump it out. There's no reason to. You can always fix it. We were actually prepared after four days, the fourth day. If it wasn't starting up, we were going to add more yeast and we were going to show you guys and probably talk about it in the actual making of this video. But then it started bubbling a little bit. It was like one every couple minutes. I don't like to count bubbles, but in this case, I just had to show you how far apart those bubbles really were. It was a symbol of it doing something, meaning it was starting. And then I could swear I saw little bubbles on the side. The next day it was a little bit more. And then today it's going even more. Now, does that mean it's going to continue getting more aggressive? I don't know. I'm not sure what's happening here. Also, when we talk about a lipped tray, this is what we mean. Just a little tray with a lip on it so that it doesn't spill over if it gets too aggressive, which is probably not a worry for this particular one. But hey, you never know when you start it up. But I just wanted to make this quick little video to show you that have some patience, don't worry about it. But if after 3 to 4 days, you don't see any activity at all and it looks like your yeast is just dead on arrival, add more yeast. Probably gonna do the trick. If you have questions about stuff like that, ask in the comments below of any relevant video, and we'll be happy to get to you. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.